How to change the time duration for time to take action on notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. Then in here, tap on advanced settings. Now we scroll down and in the notifications section, tap on time to take action. From here, you can choose default, 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, or 2 minutes. So select a time duration and then tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.